Well, here I am, still rinsing, still getting foam, still getting dirt out of this coil. I'm gonna keep rinsing until I get it clean. Like I say, I'm using my Ryobi drill to get in, my Ryobi cutoff to get in the access hole, my thermocell to check the temperature, my Ryobi sprayer to do the spraying, and I doubt Ryobi appreciate it, but anyway, that's what I'm doing. But I spray that in there, let it sit, it'll start foaming up. You don't see it foaming as bad now as it was foaming. It's foaming though. But the more it foams, the more it's cleaning. And you can see my water, how dark it is coming out of them coils. So it is still cleaning. I hope to have this thing where I can put it back together shortly, but you see it foaming up again now? There's still some foam in them places. That means it's cleaning. So I'm just going to keep spraying for a few more times. Y'all have a good day.